What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You want bird toys? You want bird toys? Sweet boy. Oh, goodness. We're throwing your old basket away. We got all your toys for outside. Oh no, what's wrong? 9:15, or what time is it? 9 o'clock at night, and I just got done with cleaning your toys. It's not playtime. I'm throwing that basket away and getting you a new one. Gotta get you a bigger basket. You can have your toys in the morning. Not right now. They have to dry overnight. Oh, your little lip. We're not taking them away. I'm just cleaning them. Yeah, I cleaned them all and they're drying for you, okay? Because you're a spoiled baby. Oh, goodness. The many faces of the carne corso. Look, it's empty. It's a yucky old basket. Mom's getting rid of it, okay? I'm getting rid of it. It's yucky.